Athearn has been part of model railroading for decades. Their blue box kits were a staple of the hobby, and you can still find some of them in used shops. But they have been predominantly HO scale. Well, I've acquired quite a few pieces of Athearn in-scale rolling stock over the past year, and well, I think they should be talked about a little bit more in scale. And we're doing that today on Coffee and Trains. Hey everybody, my name is Jimmy. I am just drinking some Members Mark coffee, not Maker's Mark like some of you guys heard. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and be featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below. Also, big thank you to trainswithaz.com for supporting this video. You can get $10 off your order of $50 or more with promo code JimmyDIY. Link in description. Cheers. Let's go ahead and get this part out of the way. Athearn's quality is on par and sometimes better than pretty much everything out there that it is matched up against in in-scale. Though their offerings can lag behind some of the in-scale primaries, there are two main reasons that I think Athearn should be talked about more for in-scale. Number one, car packs. If there is one thing that I could tell a manufacturer to do that wants to do in-scale rolling stock, it would be to offer car packs. Athearn offers actually quite a few car packs, more than some other manufacturers. And they're in things like tank cars and hopper cars and gondolas, the things that we need for our unit trains in in-scale. And some of them you can find multiple sets of car packs with the same car, which means that you can get a wide variety of road numbers. So that means you're not repeating road numbers nearly as much in your trains and you're not having to manually change them. This is crucial for some of us in-scalers that typically run longer, more prototypically linked trains that need more cars. So being able to buy them in bulk at a slightly cheaper price than individually is pretty nice. Number two is affordability. Now, when most of us, myself included, are looking for affordable new in-scale rolling stock, we're typically looking at two places. That's going to be Atlas and Micro Trains, though that's technically one now. Now, I consider affordable to fall in the under $30 range for new rolling stock, preferably under $25, and under $20 being in the really good deals category. Now, when I buy used, I don't like paying over $20 for a car unless it's a really unique car. Athearn has quite a few offerings at this price point, and you can usually find them on sale because us in-scalers overlook them. For example, these 50-foot box cars are on sale for $17 right here. If I'm trying to build up my rolling stock fleet, I'm snatching up some of those right there. If you're looking for higher detail rolling stock, Athearn does that too. Their Genesis tier rolling stock, just like an HO scale, is a lot nicer. And it is actually the only one that I would consider to be on par with Scale Train's rivet counter rolling stock in scale. Though I'd be on the lookout for Aurora miniatures. They are priced roughly the same as Scale Train's rivet counter rolling stock as well. Now, here is some of the rolling stock that I have picked up in the past year. It runs very well. It has body-mounted couplers and metal wheels. This stuff is pretty dang good. The couplers are different than micro trains, but they do play nice with them. Now, I am not saying that you should drop everything and buy Athearn. There's just not enough variety there to get everything you need for a railroad most of the time. But as an in-scaler who holds brands like Micro Trains and Kato as the gold standard, I'm going to pay more attention to Athearn now. It's true, they're a big-time HO scale primary company, but they did give me my North Carolina Railroad F59 PHIs, and they have done in-scale big boys and challengers. They also have an F45 coming out, and I think if they came out with a few more diesels, they might give some in-scale companies a run for their money. So thank you, Athearn, for not forgetting us literal little guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe. Be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.